students, here we are to discuss the tips and tricks to crack NEET 2022. Let us first understand NEET. As you know, NEET is one of the toughest medical examination which is conducted in India. NEET is conducted by the National Testing Agency, that is NTA. Qualifying means admission to undergraduate courses like MBBS, BDS and Ayush. It is an authorized prerequisite to qualify NEET exam in order to study medical courses in India and abroad. What will be the last minute preparation strategy for NEET? A lot of questions in your mind: what to prepare, how to manage time. Know this, you require 40 to 50 percentile to qualify NEET and score 550 onwards or more for admission in private to government colleges. What are the must-haves? Handy syllabus, know the exam pattern well, know the marking scheme, the negative marking, mark distribution chapter-wise, also the number of questions from chapter, rely on good study material. Any which ways, NCERT textbooks are the best. As we know, we have biology, physics and chemistry. Amongst them, from biology itself we get 90 questions, 45 from botany and 45 from zoology. After that, we get 45 questions from chemistry and 45 questions from physics. Talking about physics, when you are preparing for NEET, you should make yourself well aware of each subject's difficulty level and devote your time accordingly. Physics is known to be the most difficult subject in NEET, as all the questions in the question paper are more formula and application based. Prepare well all the formulae and their application. Practice as many questions as possible. Let us talk about the important topics for physics, like properties of matter, laws of motion, system of particles and rotational motion, current, electricity, electronic devices and ray optics. Talking about chemistry, so as we know, there are three main parts of chemistry: physical, inorganic and organic chemistry. For physical chemistry, questions are more formula based, so you should be well versed with all the formula types question. In inorganic chemistry, they are purely based on students' learning. Learn all the chemical reactions along with the names of the chemicals by heart. You can really score out of marks in inorganic chemistry by understanding the concepts. Learn the periodic table and revise it every day so that you have that at your fingertips. Let us talk about the important topics for chemistry. Like under physical chemistry, you have thermodynamics, equilibrium, solutions and chemical kinetics. In organic chemistry, you have aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, alcohol, phenols and ethers. Under organic chemistry, you have general organic chemistry, hydrocarbons, haloalkanes and haloarenes. Under inorganic chemistry, you have coordination compounds, chemical bonding, the P block elements, the D and F block elements and redox reaction. Talking about biology, when it comes to biology, it's all about theory and it does not require any critical thinking. It's only about remembering the facts, the scientific names, the diagrams, the definitions and the concepts. You should also be well aware of all the diagrams, all the examples that are used in the textbook, and you should learn the labels accordingly. A lot of questions in NEET, they are based on diagrams, so you should be by heart. You should by heart all of them. The points mentioned in the table in your textbook are all very important. Questions come line by line from there. Let us talk about the important topics for biology under botany. Principles of inheritance, molecular base of inheritance, cell the unit of life, sexual reproduction in flowering plants, morphology of flowering plants, biological classification. Under zoology, we have evolution, biotechnology, principle and processes, animal kingdom, chemical coordination and integration, human reproduction, reproductive health, human health and disease, and biomolecules. In short, the TG mantra would be, do the NCERT textbook well. For physics and chemistry, revise formula well. For biology, prepare the images, diagrams and tables well, along with the important dates and important people. Practice 120 to 160 selected questions from each chapter and revise them properly. Go for the correct content, appear for the test or past year question papers very honestly. You know yourself better than anyone else. Don't blindly follow any timetable. Do your own research and make a modification accordingly. Don't forget to add breaks. Taking breaks between your studies is very important, as you can't study for 8 hours at a stretch. Not taking breaks will turn out to be unproductive in the long run. Keep your school and NEET coaching center hours in mind while drafting your study plan. Divide the syllabus into parts. Which chapter or topic you will be studying, plan it in advance. Keep holidays in mind so that you can make full use of your time. Don't forget to dedicate some days solely for revision. As we know, revision is very important as you study a topic, and if you don't revise it, your mind will forget it. You need to revise everything once in a while to keep the information fresh in your mind. So how will you manage time? You may follow the Pomodoro method. You might find a plan that works well for you. Manage your sleep time. Create an efficient timetable and avoid distractions. So students, try to give your best version and give your best performance. Thank you.